Alright, so it's the next day. Got the valve covers off, oil pan off, got the oil pump, everything off of it. Can't really tell if it's bad or not because I'm not an expert at this. So far I don't see anything plugged. Everything's still intact. I also looked at a couple cylinder holes. I can pick that up. That one. Maybe, maybe not. Seem like first and last are pretty carboned up. I don't know if you can see that one or not. That one's just as bad. That one. It seems like all four of these are all white. So I pretty much saved everything I want to save off this motor for my new motor. So right now I got the headers out here. Threw a coat of paint on them. Fixed another coat on. So that's about it really. I already threw his motor up on Craigslist. See what I can get out of it. It's obviously going to need to be rebuilt. Did pull up the number off this motor. There's the model number. I'll include it in the description. It's a E7 E size. Basically, it's an 87 motor, but it was built for a truck. But did some research. Ford stuck these in Mustangs as well. So I think it's E7 TE, I believe. So these are E7 heads. They look like E7 heads. Haven't seen a stamp on them yet anywhere, but they look like E7 heads. And the pistons do not, I don't think you can't really see it now, but pistons look like cast. They don't look like forged, which I thought they were forged. See part of it, but they're not. I don't think they're forged. Like they're just cast aluminum pistons. Yeah, so the previous owner had NOS on it, and I think the motor did pretty well. I don't know how big shot he had on it, but I think the motor did pretty well. No oil, no metal flakes anywhere. So I mean, that's a good sign. Overall, I think his motor's pretty well wore out. Wanted more performance anyway, so when I got the chance, go ahead and build a new motor for her. Alright, so I'm going to end the video here. Got my neighbor across the street blaring some music. Probably going to get hit for copyright on this video. But oh well. So, check back on motor build 5 or 6. I don't remember which one video I'm on now. I think this is number 5. No, 4. This is 4, I believe. Alright, so anyways. See y'all later.